darlings, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it is your girl Annabella again. So in today's video, I'm just going to talk briefly on the Caro Light cream review I did some time ago. Yes, if you guys can recall, I uploaded that video to get people's opinion. Yeah, the type of person I am, before I put anything on my skin or use anything, I like to seek experts' opinion. Those who have used it before, I like to find out from them the positive and negative effect of that product. So that was why I uploaded that video and asked, and if actually it does clear dark spots and scars. Well, good enough, I got the responses I wanted, some good and some bad. So the purpose of this particular video now is to address an issue concerning the Caro Light cream. Yes, on my comment section, you won't believe a lot of people are fighting each other. Even mine is mine. You have to visit my friend's channel, Ebu Valentine, or the comment on that cream of ours. Oh my god, you won't believe it. So what I'm trying to say here is, nobody is condemning Caro Light or Caro White cream. Yes, it will be a very bad thing to run down a company's products just like that. What we are saying, and some people are saying, is that it is not good for them. It gives them sunburns, hyperpigmentation and all that. No, but the good thing is, there are some people who this particular product is actually good for also. You see, there is the negative and the positive. It is not all that a bad cream. We all have different skin types and all. So the fact that it's not good for Mr. A doesn't mean it is not good for Mr. B. Yes, from my comment section, I could see some comments, people saying that they've been using this cream for as long as 5 years, that they don't have any problem with it, and others who just used it and immediately they stopped. Oh, they started going so dark, they got pigmentations and all that. So in everything or in every product, there is the good part and the bad part. It's just that the bad part is more in this particular product, but nevertheless we shouldn't fight over it, because some people are really insulting each other on the comment section about, oh, don't condemn this cream. Even some of them were insulting me without even watching the video, telling me that I shouldn't condemn the cream. That what do I know? Hey, I haven't used that cream before. I just seek for opinions. That's all. I know of Caro White long time ago, so but I haven't used it before. The one I can say I have used and I had experience on is this G&G product. Guys, you don't want to hear the experience I had about that cream. I used that maybe like 8-9 years ago, and the reaction from my mom when she saw me when I was using that cream, because I was in college, she wasn't happy with me. Well guys, leave your comments below if you want me to do a review on the G&G cream of my experience. So guys, this is all I have for this video. I don't have much to say. I just want to correct an impression of people fighting each other, of people insulting each other. Don't condemn the cream, or someone else telling me that, oh, you want to bleach your black skin, aren't you proud of your black skin? Hold it. It is my skin, it is my body. I can do whatever I want to do with it, as far as it's not affecting other people negatively. So please be kind with your words. Life is not that serious. So guys, thanks for staying with me on this one, and I will see you all in my next video. And please, if you are not subscribed to me, do that right now and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of any time I upload a new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.